What does a girl like me keep in a thing like this? Today I'm gonna share with you what is inside of my Louis Vuitton purse. I wasn't sure I was gonna actually do this video, but then I thought I would wanna watch this video, and first I've got to share the story before I get into opening it up, and why this purse is so important to me in particular. It's not because it's specifically Louis Vuitton or like a name brand. It's not because it's a really nice leather. The main reason is that it meant something for me. If you guys know my story, then you know that I was in a lot of credit card debt for a long time, and I actually paid off over $22,000 of credit card debt. I also paid off $10,000 of a car loan as well. Today, I'm talking about how I paid off over $22,000 of credit card debt. Yes, I did that. I'm that girl. I paid off that debt, yeah. So when all was said and done, it was like close to $30-something thousand of debt that I paid off. And during that process, I went on an all cash budget. Essentially, it was like a diet, a financial diet. And it was really tough because I only spent on the stuff that I needed, and I barely spent on the stuff that I wanted. I put aside like $50 every month for travel, and then when I had $600, I took myself to the Bahamas. So like it was a tough time. And as I got closer and closer to the end, I started thinking about how can I reward myself? How can I reward myself? And the thing that I really wanted at that time was I really wanted a designer purse. In the past, I had spent a lot of money on credit cards on purses, and I wanted this to be my first purchase that was like all cash. So I'm really proud of myself because when I decided to buy this purse, not only did I buy it with all cash, I bought it when I was paying off all of my credit card debt. I finally paid off all of my debt, and I actually haven't changed this purse since I bought it. So I actually even bought it used. So it's not even a brand new Louis, but it's a previously loved Louis Vuitton bag. So let's get started. I'm gonna share with you what's inside of my purse. Also, what I'm gonna do is on this side of the video, I will share a camera shot that I have going so that you can actually see inside, because I'm gonna be looking down inside of the purse. All right, so first thing that I have is a hair clip on the outside. I usually keep a hair clip right on the outside of the handles, usually because if I'm wearing my hair down, I wanna be able to like just quickly put it up. This was something I always wanted to do when I was younger, but my hair was never long enough. And over the years, I've learned how to take care of my hair to where it's still natural, no relaxer, and it's grown by leaps and bounds. I might do a video on how I grew my hair. If that's something that you might be interested to see, just comment below and let me know. So let's open it. Unfortunately, when I got it, the zipper did have the leather on there, but doesn't have it there anymore. I was told that if you take it into the store that they'll repair that for you, but I think my next goal is just to get a brand new one, but I don't know if they sell the Speedy bags anymore, so I might just have to keep this. Okay, I have a receipt for Asian Kitchen, which is something that we ate last night, so probably should throw that away. I have a restoring serum sample that I got from European Wax Center. So this is something that I wanted to try out, and they gave me a sample. So actually this needs to go in the bathroom. So I will probably hang on to that, and then I will probably put that in the bathroom. Okay, next I have my car keys and house keys, as well as my UPS post office key. And so it's just all of my keys, okay? Next thing I have is shea butter hand cream. This smells really, really good. It's a lemon cream, and I remember I was actually putting it on. I was with a couple friends, and I had opened it up and started putting it on my hands, and we were all in the car together, and someone said, "What's that smell? It smells like key lime pie or like lemon cream." And I was like, yeah, this is my lemon cream lotion. So I love this because it's perfect size. If I need to go through TSA, I don't have to worry about them taking it. And it's all natural, paraben free, dye free, all that good stuff. and it's also animal testing free. So J.R. Watkins, cool brand. I got it from Target. All right. The next thing I have is just a little pouch with some eye drops. If you didn't know, probably because I haven't shared it, but I got laser eye surgery in November of 2017. And that first year, my eyes were so dry that I started keeping drops with me. Since then, my eyes have healed a lot better, and I don't need drops as much, but in the winter when the heat is on in the house, they still get kind of dry. So I keep drops with me. I just have some regular drops, and then I have some tears, some natural tears that are individual vials. So I always keep those with me. The next thing I have, okay, I pulled two things out at once. So this is just a screen cleaner. So I use this for my phone sometimes. So I just kind of have that in there. And I pulled this out at the same time, which is some extra peppermint gum. So I have that in there as well. The one thing that you might not know about the Speedy, but it's really just one, like there's only one container. So there is a side pouch, which I'll pull all this stuff out soon, but other than that side pouch, like it's really just one deep container. It's, you know, you just throw everything in there. Next I have my sunglasses. I always keep sunglasses with me. So I have just this nice little pouch, and then my sunglasses that I bought a couple years ago. These are my favorite pair. And the case for the sunglasses is also like a screen cleaner, so you can clean the sunglasses as well. So kind of doubles there. Looks like I left a piece of a Skittles packet, so that's probably trash, so that's in there. Then I have my Aveeno anti-itch. There's only a little bit left in there, but I have eczema, so this is kind of an emergency option. If I get really itchy, I always keep Aveeno close by, this hydrocortisone. It's like a non-prescription, it's just over the counter, so I keep that with me. Like I said, I have very sensitive skin. I have eczema, so all of my stuff is going to be all natural, made from minimal ingredients, and that's why that hand cream as well as that eczema cream is in my purse. You always got to have lotion. Nobody wants ashy hands. And then finally, my wallet. So the wallet is not the same brand. It is one that I grabbed from Marshall's because I like the color. So I like the bright orange wallet with the brown purse. I think it looks really cool, and it's like it gives it like a pop. Like I said, I'm not a super huge brand name person. One of my favorite bags is actually one that I got from Target. But this was a statement congratulations piece for myself. And, you know, who knows, maybe I'll buy another one. But like I said, I really like pieces that look very high quality, and you don't have to spend a lot of money to get high quality pieces. It's more in the way that you use them and the more you keep them up. So I've got my wallet. I won't go into like everything that's in my wallet, but there's some cash in there, my ID, and this is really important. My Top Golf card. So we always go to Top Golf. I've got my, I've got a Dave & Buster's card in there, a MARTA card, because you never want to be in Atlanta without a MARTA card, even though I haven't been in, I live in Memphis now. I haven't been in Atlanta for several years. I got my Amex, Delta Sky Miles, never leave home without that. That's the business card. And obviously, Starbucks, super important. So I won't go into like everything that's in my wallet because there's sensitive information, my name and card numbers and all that. Okay, and finally is like the side pouch. So everything that's in the side pouch. And I keep this pretty clean also. I've got my Costco card. So gotta have that. My business cards, which I always have business cards on me, even if I just have a couple that are in my purse. And then I've got my credibility builders on the back. I'm not sure if you can see that. Here also. Running out of space to put stuff down there. My Soft Lips vanilla. So it's just a vanilla lip protectant. So always keep that in there. I typically don't do a whole lot of lipstick or anything like that. Nabo, my Nabo name tag. So I have that also. My Nabo pin. So the reason I keep these in my purse is that I kept forgetting to take them with me to the Nabo events where we're supposed to wear them. So I just started leaving them in my purse, and that way I never have to worry about saying, I forgot it at home. I have a additional car key for my car, which is not a key to start the car because it has to be a chip key. This is just in case I get locked out. This will allow me to get back in the car. Hopefully I don't lock my purse in the car because then I won't have a way to get it at all. And that is it. The last thing is a purse holder that my friend got for me. I really love this. Basically what this does is you can balance it on a ledge. So if you're at the bar, or if you're at a restaurant and somewhere where you don't want to put your purse on the floor, you can hang your purse. So you hang this on the ledge and then you can hang your purse right there. I want you guys to see what it would look like. So basically it would look like this. So this would be the ledge, right? This would be the, so you would take the hanger, right? This is the ledge. You would put the purse hanger on the ledge and then you would just hook your purse right onto it like that. And it's really cool because it has like that counterweight and counterbalance. That way I don't have to worry about putting my purse on the floor and getting it dirty. Or if you guys are superstitious, if you put your purse on the floor, you'll never have any money. So I hope you enjoyed that video. It's definitely not the typical video that I do, but I figured that I would be interested to see what's in someone's purse. So I decided to make a video of what's in my Speedy bag. If you did like the video, like it, give it a thumbs up. Comment below, was there anything in the purse that you thought should be there that wasn't there? And was there anything that surprised you? And if you want to see more videos like this, definitely comment, subscribe, because that's what lets me know what videos are resonating. So I can actually look inside of Google Analytics and it'll tell me, hey, this video is bringing you subscribers. So if you subscribe to this video, that's how I know that you want more videos like this. So I will see you guys in the next one. And thanks so much for watching. Okay, bye.